how to prevent CAPTCHA attacks. Rachna, lately we've been seeing that applications are using CAPTCHA in their pre-login page. So tell me, how effective is CAPTCHA from security angle?
Correct. So main purpose of having CAPTCHA is to distinguish between human and bots to prevent our system from the DOS and DDoS like attacks. Since these attacks itself implement a bots to send a multiple request. So CAPTCHA it's act like a security shield to prevent our system from DOS and DDoS like attacks.
Okay, so are you saying that implementing the CAPTCHA can still be insecure if the developers don't implement it correctly?
Exactly. That's why it is very important to implement the CAPTCHA in a secure way.
Okay. Oh, interesting. So tell me, what do developers need to do to implement the CAPTCHA securely?
Correct. So there are three things which developers should take care while implementing the CAPTCHA. First, validate the CAPTCHA on the client as well as server side. Second, once the CAPTCHA is being used, then that value should be deleted from the database so no one can reuse that old value. And the third, if the CAPTCHA is being passed through the form parameter, then that value should be encrypted so that no one can tamper with that CAPTCHA value.
Okay, so this is how you secure your CAPTCHA implementation. Thank you.